was calling because I was married to a veteran. It was like a big age difference between us. And when he passed, I tried to go to the veteran place, but they told me some told me I was too young, and then others told me I didn't, I made too much. So I was just wondering, was there any benefit available to me since he's passed? He's been passed about 12 years. This year make 13 years. I didn't know if it was too late or what.
So here's the question. When he passed, did he pass from a service-related condition or a service-related disability?
No, he had served his time and he had gotten out.
Okay, so normally what the VA requires, and those would be called DIC benefits, and they're basically the acronym is Dependent Indemnity Compensation. It's for parents, it's for widows, and it's for children of veterans. And one of the criteria for you to apply for it is that the veteran had to have passed from a disease, condition, or injury as related to his service. And so that will be something I would have to look into if he has not, if he was not deceased due to a service-related disability. If he was, it would have been that it was a service-related disability, then you would be able to apply for those benefits.
So okay, I was going to go to my local VA place one day and talk to that person just to see.
Okay.
But I just got in bed and I saw you I was on, so I thought I'd call to see if I could ask the question.
Well, maybe you can just call the office and, I can look further into it and see if there's something that, in his death certificate, and also look through his service record and see if it's something that you may get. But the VA normally requires it to be a service-related death.
And Brenda, we certainly, Brenda, we appreciate you calling in just from watching tonight and checking us out. Quick question for you, Yeshiba. So is there a statute of limitations that folks, dependents or widows, can get benefits if their loved service member has passed away? Is there a time limit for those benefits?
Actually, there's not a time limit. A lot of individuals, and when I say individuals, I'm speaking to widows, children of veterans that have become deceased, they have no idea that DIC benefit is out there. And so normally what the Department of Veteran Affairs recognizes is the date of death on the veteran's death certificate. And so if you wait 10 years to go file for DIC benefits for your veteran spouse that has become deceased, then the VA will go back and give what we call a effective date, and that's retroactive payment to the date of death if it's a service-related cause of death.
Excellent.
Yeshiba, when people reach out to you and make an appointment with you, what documents do they need to bring with them to help you get started on their case?
Well, normally, Kirby, what I require is the veteran bring in, or either the veteran's widow bring in, a copy of the DD-214. Every now and then you have veterans that go in to active duty service and they come out and they go into reserve, so they may have multiple DD-214s. I always like to look at any decision notification letter from the Department of Veteran Affairs, because that gives me a huge picture of what the veteran has applied for and what he's been awarded. And then also I also require that they bring in any type of service medals, anything like that.
Excellent. Great information.